everyone, welcome to this PYQ series, and today we are beginning with a new topic, that is averages. So let us begin with today's lecture with question number 1. A student on her first 3 tests received an average score of n points. While solving average questions, you need to have 3 things in your mind. What is the n? What is the average? Then what is the sum, right? If n is your first 3 test, average is n points, then the sum becomes 3n. If she exceeds her previous average score by 20 points on the 4th test, so n becomes 4. Average we have no idea. Sum can't be obtained from this side, but can be obtained from this side. How? 3n was the previous sum. 20 points more than the average score. The average was n. So 20 points more in the 4th test. This was until the 3rd test. This was the 4th test, right? Now you need to find the average. Here sum was what? Average into n. Here average will be what? Sum divided by n. Are you getting it? So sum becomes 4n plus 20. So 4n plus 20 divided by 4, that becomes n plus 5, right? So the answer would be n plus 5. Clear? Let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 2. In a garrison, there was food for 1000 soldiers for 1 month. 1000 soldiers के लिए खाना है for 1 month. We assume it to be 30 days. So 1000 soldiers food for 30 days. After 10 days, 1000 more soldiers joined the garrison. So that means, can I say this 30 days can be divided into 3 parts, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days equally. That means these 1000 fellows will consume 1/3 of the food here, 1/3 of the food here, 1/3 of the food here, right? After 10 days, 1000 more soldiers join. So अभी तक यहाँ तक कितना खाना खत्म हो गया है? 1/3. Remaining is 2/3. At this point, another 1000 join. So another 1000 will join. Earlier there was 1000, another 1000 join. What will be the, how long the soldiers be able to carry on with the remaining food? अभी देखिए, ये जो 1000 है, they will eat this much. Earlier अगर ये 1000 ना आते, this 1000 would have ate this 1/3 of the food in this 10 days. Yes or no? Now another 1000 will eat how much? This 1/3. So it will be completed in how many days? 10 days. As simple as it is. तो ये 1000 और 1000 2/3 के खाना है available. 2000 लोग है. So how many days it will take? It will take 10 days. Clear? Got it? Subject to the intake. Intake. कैसा कितना intake है? Per soldier intake would be how much? If 30 days का food is ate by 1000 soldiers, so in one day how much they will eat in that much, how much they will eat in that way also you can calculate, or in this way also you can calculate, or you can take how much units, right? 1000 soldiers, 30 days, per day suppose each soldier eats 1 unit, then in 30 days they will consume 30,000 units. In that process also you can do. So answer would be 10 days. Got it? Now let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 3. The average monthly income of a person in a certain family of 5 is rupees 10,000. Again, average and sum. Average कितना है? Average कितना है? 10,000. Right? Total people कितने हैं? 5. Sum becomes 50,000. What will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family if the income of one person increased by rupees 1,20,000 per year? 1,20,000 per year. That means the average increase of the person per month will be 10,000. So sum कितना हो जाएगा? Extra 10,000 increase. So total sum now will be 60,000. Total people will be 5. Average कितना हो जाएगा? 12,000. So the answer would be 12,000. Got it? Let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 4. Suppose the average weight of 9 persons is 50 kg. Average weight of 9 persons. Sum n average. एवरेज कितना है 50 kg, टोटल पीपल कितने हैं 9, सम कितना हो गया 450, 9 into 50, average weight of the first 5%, first 5% will be this fellow is 45 kg, that means average of the first 5 right कितना है 45, so first 5 का सम कितना हुआ 225, how 45 into 5, what is the sum of the last 5, last 5 मतलब देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, दैट मीन्स ये 5 का सम कितना हुआ 225, अभी ये लास्ट 5 का हमें निकालना है, कितना गया गिवन है, दिस इज 55 5, so this becomes 275, this is 275, now if you add all this 225 plus 275 कितना हो जाएगा, this will be equals to 500. Now what does this 500 indicate, this 500 indicates A1 से लेके up to A9, and this fellow will be the extra which is repeated here as well as here, क्योंकि फर्स्ट 5 में फिफ्थ मेंबर आएगा, लास्ट 5 में भी फिफ्थ मेंबर आएगा, तो एक बार ये एक्स्ट्रा आएगा ए फिफ्थ, अभी यहां से यहां तक का सम कितना है 450, वी हैव फाउंड इट राइट, सो व्हाट विल बी द ए फिफ्थ 50 kg, 450 500 minus 450, is it clear, got it, let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number 5. There are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. Two-digit consecutive odd numbers 13 है. That is x suppose is the first odd number. Odd number increment is x plus 2. Next is x plus 4. So the 13th term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. That is x plus 24. Clear? 39 is the mean of the first 5 terms. So first 5 terms क्या क्या होंगे? x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 5 कितना हो गया 39, ऊपर का सम कितना है 5x प्लस 8 6 14 14 14 4 16 16 to 18 clear equals to फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स गिवन है ना, हाँ फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. So if we have taken first 5 terms, then this sum becomes 8 6 14 14 for 18 to 20, this is 20, 39 into 5 will be 195, yes or no, that means 5x becomes 175, x becomes 35, x becomes 35, it has asked you what is the mean of all the 13 numbers, x becomes 35, x प्लस x प्लस 2 अप टू कितना x प्लस 24, दैट मीन्स कितने बार x आएंगे 13 टाइम्स 13x प्लस 2 प्लस 4 अप टू 24 राइट, दैट मीन्स दिस गिव्स यू 13x प्लस 2 टेकन कॉमन 1 से लेके अप टू 12, now this becomes 13x plus 2 into 12 into 13 by 2, 1 से लेके n का सम 2 getting cancelled, so here you get 13 times of x plus 12, once you divide it by 13 to find the average 13 gets cancelled, so answer would be x plus 12, if x plus 12 is the answer, x was 35 plus 12 will be 47, so the answer would be 47, got it. Proceed to the next problem. Average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days was recorded to be 0.40 inch. फर्स्ट 4 days n एवरेज कितना है 0.40, सम कितना हुआ 1.60 राइट, द रेनफॉल ऑन द लास्ट 2 days वाज इन द रेशियो ऑफ 4:3, लास्ट 2 days का रेशियो 4:3, और वी कैन से 8:6, और वी कैन से 16:12, एनीथिंग राइट, द एवरेज ऑफ द 6 days was 0.50 inch, एवरेज ऑफ द 6 day was 0.50 inch, 0.50 into 6 कितना हो जाएगा, that will be 3, this was the first 4 days, this was the 6 days, अगर हम इस दोनों सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लास्ट 2 days का सम कितना आएगा 1.40 right, then the average of the 6 days was 0. What will be the rainfall on the 5th day, देखिए 1.40 है, ये रेशियो बता रहा है 4:3 है, दैट मीन्स 4x प्लस 3x इक्वल्स टू 1.40, 7x इक्वल्स टू 1.40, x बिकम 0.2। यस और नो? अगर x 0.2 है तो फिफ्थ डे का कितना आएगा? 0.8। सो द आंसर वुड बी 0.80 इंच। क्लियर? गॉट इट? Let us proceed to the next problem. This is question number 7. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. Average marks n कितना है? 100. Average कितना है? 40. Sum कितना हो जाएगा? 4000. It was found later that marks of one student were 53, which was misread as 83. 83 गलत है, एक्चुअली में 53 होना चाहिए। 83 नेगेटिव है, 53 पॉजिटिव है। 4000 से 83 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे जो गलत है, फिर जो सही है उसको ऐड कर देंगे। कितना हो जाएगा? 4000 माइनस 30। आई हैव सीन पीपल डूइंग इट एज 3700, बट इट इज नॉट सो। ये 3970 है, गलती से 3700 मत लिखना। सो 3970 है, 3970 न्यू एवरेज, न्यू करेक्टेड मीन डिवाइडेड बाय 100 करना है, 39.7। गॉट इट? So I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. We'll see you again in the next class with next set of average problems. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.